Hello everyone, in this video I'll be sharing an exclusive offer from Bluehost that comes with a fantastic coupon promo code. By clicking the link provided in the video description, you can avail a generous 75% discount and a free domain. In case the link doesn't direct you as expected, simply copy and paste it into your browser, then hit enter to unlock these incredible savings. The coupon will be automatically applied for you. Now, let's dive into today's topics. Introduction to Bluehost and its significance in the web hosting industry. Brief overview of what the article will cover. What is Bluehost? Bluehost introduction, highlighting its establishment and prominence. Mention of its role as a leading web hosting provider since 2003. Benefits of Bluehost. Explanation of the advantages users gain from choosing Bluehost. Detailed exploration of the key benefits offered. A free one-year domain. Explanation of the significance of a domain name for online identity. Highlighting Bluehost's provision of a complimentary domain for the first year. B. Free SSL Certificate, emphasizing the importance of website security. Description of how Bluehost provides a free SSL certificate to encrypt data transmission. Circa 75% discount on hosting, highlighting affordability as a crucial factor for website owners. Explanation of Bluehost's ongoing discount, making hosting accessible to all. D. One-click WordPress installation. Introduction to WordPress as a popular website building platform. Description of how Bluehost simplifies WordPress setup with its one-click installation feature. 30-day money-back guarantee. Assurance to users of Bluehost's confidence in its services. Explanation of the refund policy, offering users peace of mind. F. 24/7 customer support, stressing the importance of reliable customer support. Description of Bluehost's round-the-clock assistance for users. Conclusion. Recap of Bluehost's significance and benefits. Encouragement for readers to consider Bluehost for their web hosting needs in 2024. Remember to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Jesus bless you. Thank you.